what's up, guys? Welcome back to
Oh my god! If you're scared, hey guys, can I say something to the YouTube channel?
Hold on.
Can I say something to YouTube?
Guys, stop talking.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be doing some monkey marathon again because I did my second time. Hit these guys in, oh my god, damn my ear.
Shut up.
In level 11.
Can
Anyways.
I say something to the camera?
Sure.
If you don't like and subscribe, I will come into your house and forcefully shove chicken nuggets in your mouth.
Alright, guys, that's
Okay,
level 11.
Kids, said.
I missed.
Right, can I say something? Right, can I say something to the video?
Alright, guys. Here we are.
Hold on.
Everyone's so scared. Into the vents we go. Oh, there's the baby monster. Alright, every lap we do, we get one safe zone pass.
We left someone.
Every lap we do, we get one safe zone pass. Every lap we do. Oh my goodness, the baby. Don't make some friends, Jimmy. I'm gonna go make some friends, Dada.
Friends.
Here, what you have to do is, you have to tell them to leave the game and then join the phone. Oh, heck no.
We can do it with Mona Lisa too. You guys know that. This girl's name is Mona Lisa.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Mama Lisa.
Bro, where's
I'm gonna do the baby.
Where is Moaning Lisa? I mean, Mona Lisa.
Mona?
I thought we were doing the baby. We don't have to do the baby. That sounds weird anyways. I don't like doing the baby. You mean the baby?
Mama Lisa.
Like, who would want to do the baby?
Where is Miss Lisa?
Bro,
Where's Mona Lisa?
Ooh, keep
Where's
it. We
Mona
don't need to do this.
Lisa? We're not actually doing the level.
Guys, stop. I'm trying to do that.
Oh, I saw Mona Lisa!
Oh, it's Moaning Lisa.
I died because I'm fat and I can't run.
Oh, heck no. No, you can't hide in the vents. You have to actually run away. YouTuber, what's your channel? I'm a subscribe to you.
No, you're a loser, YouTube.
Dude, at least.
Oh my god, you don't even
What's your YouTube channel? My content is well edited.
no one cares. At least I get more views.
Have you seen your newest video?
Well, what's so wrong with it?
It's unedited. And
It doesn't matter. It's good.
It's 30 straight minutes of just. Never mind. Okay.
It's funny. That's all it
He's
needs.
not the only YouTuber.
I know, but I'm more popular than you, so that's a one point.
I'm a pretty good YouTuber. You don't even edit your videos.
Yeah, and I still get better views than you, so little.
Hey, bro, I think you're a good YouTuber. I'm gonna subscribe to you.
even
What's your
seen the
name
video.
on
It's-
YouTube?
it's-
PCC Gamer?
So, I mean, I don't have the most subs on Earth. I only have like 735, I think it is. It's my YouTube channel is called Dynamic Gamer.
Bro, the baby's in these vents.
Oh, okay, dokie.
Yeah, anyways,
Subscribe to me. Do you subscribe to me? My name's Toaster VR.
I don't know. I will.
Shout out to Toaster VR.
Guys, get in the vents quickly because we're gonna go into babies.
Yeah, guys, please subscribe to me. Subscribe
Only
to
on
Content
31
Plays PC, Toaster VR, Dynamic Gamer, and anyone else.
Alright, guys. If you're watching this video, make sure you guys go join my Discord link in bio.
Guys, come on, join the Discord. Come on,
You
guys.
don't even know
let's
my
go.
Discord, so you can't talk.
You're right.
I
just saw the Discord.
There's a baby right there. There's a baby right there. Yeah, we're gonna have to speed up. Wait, rats room, rats. Bro, yeah.
Hold on, YouTuber,
Yeah.
Dynamic Gamer.
What?
Hey, what about me? Every lap we do, equals one safe zone pass.
Yeah.
Just because he has more subscribers doesn't mean he's the only YouTuber.
Guys, come on. Guys, come on. I'm trying to speedrun this level. Try to speedrun.
No, this is for Monkey Marathon.
vents.
Get out of the doorway, guys.
Get him, get him. Alright, let's do this dance. We gotta do this dance.
Come on, we still can't play.
We don't have any save zone passes.
We lost all of our save stone passes, which we should have kept our save stone passes. Ah! I fell. Well, we're just gonna take a moment in history. Brother, the baby was right there. You could have died.
Yeah, go on.
I'm at.
Come on, bro. We lost all of them.
Oh, rat.
Go turn off the lighters.
Exactly. I've never put on colliders.
I didn't even know she was there.
What, did you get jump scared by Mona Lisa?
Yeah.
Did you shoot the baby?
No!
I almost.
Bro, someone just hit their door or something. I don't even know what. I just heard someone hit something.
That was me. That was me. That was me.
Alright, guys, we got. Oh, God! It's right there! Wait, what?
Where?
It ran. My brother's.
Where?
It ran.
Can't go through
It's over there.
It followed me.
No, it's not. It's not.
Most likely
It's right there, it's right there, it's right there.
Before any of you guys were over here.
Guys, we can't
Go,
split up
guys.
here.
Go.
I'm gonna just fall to the bed and then kill myself because I'm fun.
I'm just trying to play a VR game.
Wait, no!
Stay away from me. Come on.
We gotta get to the safe zone!
Let's go.
Oh gosh.
I escaped the baby.
He just destroyed his headset! He destroyed his headset!
Who did?
Bro,
This guy.
It creeped him too much.
I freaked him out too much. He broke his headset.
The baby just right there. The baby. Alright guys, we gotta tap all these rats.
Come back.
Like there's a rat right here too, guys.
Dynamic gamer. Like
Yeah,
and subscribe.
we forgot about to tap these rats. We got these rats. Move, where's your rat? Oh, it's right there. Oh yeah, my brother copied my shit, so that's why we looked this up.
I did not try to copy this.
Yes, you did.
Okay, I guess, because you're always right. Sure.
Oh yeah, and this is my brother's sarcasm. It's really
Let me
annoying.
give your viewers a kiss.
No, you're not kissing me.
They don't need a kiss.
Alright guys, let's run away from Mona Lisa. Where's Mona Lisa?
Let's run away from Laura.
Come on.
Oh,
Big John? Think outside of the box.
Guys, where are you? But the entire map is in
Come, where are you? Get in here.
I'm scared.
Run! They both died.
He's not following us. Brother, the baby's not following us. Oh, never mind. Ignore what I said.
In the vents.
We're venting. Bro, ow! What the? The baby's actually hacking.
It's still coming. I saw its red eyes. Wait.
Oh yeah, it's there. I saw it.
I see it.
Go to the vents, everyone. Oh my goodness. All right, 3,
As soon as you win,
2,
I'd hide my
1.
Ozma.
How?
Babe,
I ain't dying before GTA 6. What? I ain't dying before GTA 6.
Safe zone. Everyone get to the safe zone and vents.
Dude, come on, let's do a lap. Do a lap.
A lap? I already did a lap with me. Me and him did a lap.
Come on, 3.
I'm not going back for him. Just.
Oh yeah, let's do this. No kill. Watch this.
The baby just walked away that way. I saw his red eyes.
Fix it,
Oh!
Felix.
Guys, go this way. Just rush it.
Turn left. I'm coming right. I'm coming right. Turn again. Right. Oh my gosh, why did that be
How we go, baby?
Oh my.
Wait, he's about to do
I'm sitting down right now.
The next L train is coming. Please move out of the way. Wait, you guys want to go run the guy from level 16?
Yeah, that's Shrek.
Yeah, let's all run the guy from level 16. Let's all run the guy from level 16.
Level 16.
Yeah, go to level 16. Go to level 16. Go to level 16. Level 16. 16.
Level I've never
I've beaten this level.
I've beaten this level before.
We're doing Monkey Marathon with this guy. He's really loud, alright? Oh yeah, don't go in front of the train when it's coming. It'll make some really good music. It makes really good music when it goes like, the next L train is coming. You guys need to hear the next L train music. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I know. Haven't heard it in a while though.
It's a banger. He can't get us in here. Brother, we're not beating this level. You know that, right?
I just know where 2 of the buttons are. I've beaten this level before.
I know where all the buttons are. I've been every single level in Scare and Big Scary.
Around the map
Keep
to
going
go
here.
Flies.
Guys, we gotta wait till the next L train's coming because that's one of the best times.
But if you jump onto the train.
Oh, you can't. There's no colliders.
Kill you.
Yeah, and there's no
What if you get run
colliders.
over?
Well, then you'll die.
The next L train.
Wait, hold on, guys. Listen. Listen up.
Ah! Indeed, that's a dang. Whoa!
Brother just delayed the L train.
Sorry, I got ran over.
How? There was not even anything there.
When there was something there, I got ran over.
You just walked into that rail track and there was nothing there, and then you died. Guys, it's right there, guys. Be careful. It's coming over here.
Buttons are in this level.
Dude,
I want to make some.
we're not trying to beat the level.
I want to make some. Hey, Mom, can I make some?
You get on the next L train, but it's...
Okay.
What? Oh yeah, I've seen that spot before. It's the Froggy Zone.
Friend, come here.
Friend!
Friend.
The next L train.
Wait, let's go to the next L train!
Move out of the way.
I think I've gotten like 5 buttons.
Guys, look, it's our friend!
That is not a friend.
He loves hugging you and then screaming at your face.
No friend. Dad, can I go on the train to visit my friend? Dad, can I go on the train to visit my friend?
If you want to go on the train to visit your friend, then you gotta find all the buttons.
No, that train that goes over there.
Yeah,
I promise I won't get injured this time.
no, you are gonna get injured, so you're not gonna go on that train.
I pinky promise.
No, I don't accept it.
Well, I'm doing it anyway.
Dude, how many buttons are in this level?
A lot.
Friend.
The next L train is coming.
Wait, no. Don't do it!
Why I get injured?
The next L train's coming. Please move out of the way. No, dude, this guy's gonna die.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
No, do not. No, oh my god, no.
Train.
Wait a minute. What was that thing?
Dang it, I missed it by like 2 centimeters.
No, only I can do that. I want to go back to the vents. I want to go back to the vents.
Let's go back to level 11. Let's go back to level 11.
Bro, hang on, I'm missing like 1
Hold
button.
on, can we go to level 12?
Sure. Let's go to level 12. Let's go, guys. Level
This
12.
is where
Level
my
12.
uncle lives.
Level 12.
This is where my
Oh
uncle
my,
lives.
I
By
hate
the
this
way,
level. I do not want to do this, bro. I hate this level.
This is
he likes
it's
teaching little children.
It's Monkey Marathon in level 12, man. Dude, we're literally gonna get
Come here,
destroyed by your
Uncle.
uncle. Your uncle's gonna kill us.
Nuh-uh, he's a good guy.
Uh,
He did that before. He went to jail
Oh,
for 10
everyone thinks
years.
Santa Claus is a good guy. He breaks into your house without our consent.
He needs a warrant.
imagine needing a warrant.
He needs a search warrant.
Oh god, I see our uncle. Guys, our uncle's over
Come
there.
here, Uncle.
I don't think we want our uncle.
Get over here, Uncle. Get over here.
Where did he go?
Uncle!
just killed someone. Your uncle literally just like ate someone. Your uncle's devouring people.
I didn't know your uncle was a cannibal. Rose uncle was a cannibal.
Her uncle actually ate her.
30.
Oh, you're back.
Bro. Our uncle's devouring.
Dude, your uncle just ate me. Just like how I ate that ice. No, like this icicle. Go.
Yeah, your uncle. Uncle's evil. Nah, he's goofy. Yeah, I'm not sure I like your uncle.
Go! Go! Uncle's coming!
What the?
Uncle's over there.
Pretty purple.
Someone's helping. Ah! Our uncle's coming. Our uncle's coming.
The uncle ate me.
Dude, why do the icicles taste
Uncle, no! Oh, good. Our uncle's not hungry enough yet.
Bro, we need to save
Haha.
guys.
Bro tried juicing the uncle.
Uncle, no! Uncle! Big boy uncle!
Come on.
Big uncle!
Goofy, yeah, uncle.
Where's our uncle? I don't see it. Where's our uncle?
I don't know. Come on, let's just do a lap.
Who took our uncle away?
Bro, I saw him eat
My mom.
children. He ate a
Guys, our uncle needs some milk real quick, guys. He'll be back in like 5 years.
Yeah.
He needs to go buy some milk.
Oh.
No, Santa took over our uncle, but he turned
Tastes so
evil.
good.
Santa took over our uncle, but then Santa turned evil as our uncle. So then now this is what he looks like. Guys, it's our uncle. He's here.
Get you! Uncle. Uncle. I'm sorry that I did not eat your icicles. Sorry,
How long ago did your uncle
Our uncle's here to say hi. He's delivering us our kid death.
Run. Go. Rose's favorite cheese is queso. Rose will copy and paste of queso. No, I said his favorite cheese is queso. That's the type of cheese, you idiots.
Wait, our uncle, he's running away from us. Uncle?
I know it's a cheese.
Uncle? Uncle?
Well, he technically
Go!
uncle's a yes.
Big fat uncle's coming.
Rose a copy and paste of queso. You already said that. Nuh-uh.
I already met. What?
Guys, our uncle left.
Really?
Yeah, he's not here
Uncle
anymore.
has left the chat.
Uncle.
Uncle has left the chat.
Yo, anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys go like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join my Discord, link in bio. Anyways, bye-bye.
Oh, there you are, red guy.